Hello guys, let's see what are the steps involved in implementing a Java program. Okay, so let me switch to my presentation. Yeah, so to implement a Java program, it involves three steps, that is creating your program, compiling the program and running the program. So to create the program, what you can do is you can type your source program in any text editor and save it the file with a .java extension. But before creating the program, make sure that a JDK is installed in your computer system properly. Okay, so we can create the program using any text editor. Once the program is typed, the file should be saved using the class name. So to save the file, the syntax is you can provide the class name and then dot and then Java extension. So this we call it as a source file. Example, suppose you have a class name as hello world, then the file name should be hello world.java. Okay, so if your program contains multiple class, then the file name must be the class name of the where the class, it should be the class name where the class contains main method. Okay, so this is one example program, hello world. Okay, so our first program, so the first line indicates it's a comment line, then class hello world. So class is a keyword and class name is hello world. Then block of code comes under flower braces. Okay, public static void main string as the standard structure for main function. And then system.out.println, I'm just printing one message to the user using println method, that the message I'm going to print is hello world, and one more message, welcome 3rd for Java world. Okay, so this is a simple program which tells us that how we can print some messages to the user using println method, which is taken from out class and that is defined in system package. So this must be saved as what? Hello world.java. So if we have copied the exact code, you need to save this file name as hello world.java. That's because the name of the class and file name should match in Java. Okay, so how do we compile the program? So the program is compiled by Java compiler using command javac. So you need to give javac command, then the class name .java. Example, because we have created hello world.java file, so to compile this we just have to prefix javac. Okay, so that compiles the program. So if nothing goes wrong, then javac compiler create a file called class.class. Okay, so which contain a bytecode of the program. Now to run the program you need to call the interpreter. So the command to implement this interpreter is java. So you just have to provide use this command java and then followed by class name. Example, java hello world. So this will give you the desired output. Now the interpreter looks for the main method in the program and begin execution from there and print the output on the screen. Okay, so let's see how we can execute this program. See, now I just have I just opened a new tab window. Okay, let me copy this program. I'll just copy this program and I'll paste it here. I have opened the online compiler, Java compiler named as JDoodle. Okay, so let me make this class as public. So let's check how this program executes. Okay, so we got the output. So in command prompt also we have created that file and we have saved it as .java, hello world.java. You can just see here there is hello world.java file is there. Okay, so this is creating. Now to compile it we need to make use of javac and hello world sorry, javac hello world dot java, and now let's enter. So if there are no errors, it will list that. So if there are no errors listed, then you can now you can execute it. If there are errors, you need to rectify those errors and recompile it once again. So since there are no errors, you need to interpret it now or to execute. So to execute, you need to make use of the command java and just give hello world. Okay, java hello world. So this will give the output. Okay, so this is how we execute programs in JDK. Clear? So 3 steps of implementing the program: create the program, name it as hello world.java, that means a class name, and dot and then java extension java. Then to compile the program, you need to use the command javac followed by class name dot java, and then to execute the program, you need to make use of the command java and followed by class name. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.